welcome back to Healthy with Heartland. I'm your host, Chef Arden. We're going to be doing a very classic grilling recipe of just a barbecue skewer. To get started, we're going to be seasoning these lovely Swiss cubed steaks from our Creekstone farms with our salt and our pepper. I've got the pepper on, now we're going for the salt as well. A little bit of lemon juice now. We're also going to be using this lemon juice to finish it on the grill. Be careful with the seeds if you're squeezing fresh lemon. Once you have that done, what we can do now is just cut them into even squares. You should be able to get about 4 pieces per. At this point, if you haven't already, you should be turning your grill up to 350 to 400 degrees. I wouldn't let it go any higher than 420. A little bit of onion on the bottom of the skewer kind of helps sticks it all together. So aesthetically too about these, you want to kind of balance your colors and your flavors. Just like that, you've got a very nice, beautiful, colorful skewer that we're going to be throwing onto the grill here. So we're going to finish plating these up. So now that we have these completely dressed and ready to go, let's get these bad boys out on the grill. We finished it with a little bit of lemon, salt, and pepper, but there you go, a nice, beautiful, simple summer kebab.